Hi guys, today we will learn about the built-in Python function that is nothing but filter. So this filter method filters the items in an iterable based on the function that returns true or false. That means we have the syntax something as this filter method and then we apply it to say the function which we have written and on the iterable which we want the function to get applied. So this is how the syntax of a filter function looks. Okay, now let's just quickly see the example of it. Say I have numbers as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, just for our understanding. So I have this array of numbers. I want the even numbers. How do I apply filter function to it? I will simply say filter and then I will write the function here. So now here we have not defined any function. So there is something called as lambda functions where you can just define your functions in a single line with a single variable and just returns the values. So here I am creating one lambda function where I am saying, okay, lambda apply function on variable x where x mod 2 equals to 0. So this is logic for the even numbers. On what iterable? This is the iterable, that is nothing but our numbers. And then I am just printing the even number list here. So you can see here we got all the even numbers here. So that is how the iterable works. All have mod by 2 equals to 0. That's why. Let me take one more value here. Say I'll add just 3. And now if I run this, you won't see this 3 here because 3 is an odd number. It didn't took it. So that is how. So here you are writing the function whatever you have written and then the iterable on which you want to apply it. Okay, let's define one function by our own and then do it. So here I am defining a function, say positive number, and I'm passing the nums. I am saying if my number is greater than 0, it's written that number itself. So whenever the number is greater than 0, that means it's positive. So we need to this function to return that number. Let me just create one more variable as num here and add some negative value to it. Now I have this kind of array here. Let's see whether it returns the positive number or not. I'll just apply the filter method. So here I will say result equals to, then I am applying what? Filter function. On which function? Positive number. And then what I am doing is iterable here is my nums. So this is my iterable nums. And then I am just simply printing it. So why I am saying this print? I want it in a form of list. That's why I'm just saying print a result and then convert it into the list and then give me the output. Then now when I run it, we can see we'll get only positive numbers from the list as our output. So here we have defined our own function. Then in filter method, we have applied that function and num. So this is how a filter method works here. That's all guys. Thank you.